Jella, Jella, Jella the explorer. Jella, Jella, Jella the explorer. Let's have some fun today!
Hi, my name is Jella. I lost my backpack. Have you guys seen my friend Jomiko? Where can he be?
Oh! Hi, Jella!
Hi, Jomiko. Where have you been?
I've been out exploring.
Have you seen my backpack?
Oh! It's right here.
Oh my gosh!
I have your backpack. Here you go, Jella.
Thank you, Jomiko.
I found it outside.
Let's go to map and see where's our next quest. Hey boys and girls, we're headed to Jumbaland. We need a pack for Jumbaland. So our first item is a toothbrush.
Wow.
Do you know what a toothbrush is used for? Do you know, Jomiko?
I don't know. What do we use a toothbrush for?
Do you know? Your teeth or your ass?
I don't know. Do we use it to brush our teeth or brush our ass? Do you know?
That's right, kids. Use it to brush your teeth. Hey, boys and girls. Our next item on the list is a fork. Do you know what we use a fork for, Jomiko?
I don't know, Jella. What do we use a fork for?
Do you use a fork to brush your hair or to eat?
Do you know what we use a fork for? To brush our hair or to eat?
That's right, boys and girls. You use a fork to eat.
You got it correct.
Yeah! Well, this concludes our Explore for today. I'm Jella.
And I'm Jomiko.
Okay, you gotta sing the song now.
Jella, Jella, Jella the explorer. Jella, Jella, Jella the explorer. Jella, Jella, Jella the explorer. Let's have some fun today.